going to show you how to use the compound inequalities matching activity. So you will have received this from your teacher, and the second slide is where you're going to type in your answers, and slides 3, 4, and 5 have your matching cards. Slide 6 is kind of going to be like the mat where you lay your cards down. So if you were doing this on the table, this would be where you match everything up. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come here and you're going to grab a card, and you can right click cut, or if you know the shortcuts on your keyboard, you can use that, and then you're going to paste here. So you're going to stick your inequality card just in one of these boxes, and then you're going to go ahead and solve it, and you'll look for your answer over here on the solutions side. And I'm just grabbing one. This is not going to be the correct solution, but I'm just showing you how to do it. So you'll cut your solution, you'll put it here, and then you're going to look for your graphed solution in one of these blue cards. And once again, this isn't the correct one, so I'm just going to grab one and we're going to stick it here. And the reason you lay them all together right here is just to make sure that it really is correct. So once you verified it that this is correct, then you're going to see what your inequality is, and you're going to come type it over here. And it's not going to look right, and that's okay. And a little hint, to get this underlined, you just use the regular shape here, and then you go back and you underline it. Or if you know the shortcut on your keyboard, then you will do that there. So again, you'll just type in your whole inequality, and then you'll type in the solution, which in this case, in our imaginary one, was no solution. And then what the word means is you'll have 3 letters. Every combination of inequality solution and graph solution will have 3 letters. And they're in order, so this spells ant. Everyone will have a common, simple 3-letter word. So then you'll come through here and you'll type in the word ant. And the reason for this is so it's kind of self-checking for you. If you have a combination of things here and it does not make a simple 3-letter word, then you know you made a mistake somewhere. And this is also for your teacher, so he or she can quickly check your work because they'll just have to look down this column here with the words, and they'll be able to see how you did. So once you're done, you can take all these cards, just drag them out of the way, or if it's okay with your teacher, you delete them. It's up to them. And then all you have to do is, depending on what they want you to do, call them over, have them check this, or share it by sending it back to them. So that's it.